Solving equations, when variables are on both sides, two-step. Have you ever faced a math problem where the variable is on both sides of the equation? It can seem tricky at first, but with a clear method, you can solve it easily. Let's break it down step by step, focusing on solving two-step equations within linear relationships and linear equations. First, let's clarify what a two-step equation is. It means you will need to perform two operations to isolate the variable. When the variable appears on both sides, your goal is to move all variable terms to one side and all constant numbers to the other side. Start by identifying the variable terms on both sides. For example, in the equation 3 times x plus 8 equals 10 times x minus 6, the variable is present on both sides. Next, choose to move the variable with the smaller coefficient. This helps avoid negative numbers. To do this, subtract 3 times x from both sides. This gives you 8 equals 7 times x minus 6. Now it is time to move the constant terms to the opposite side. You can do this by adding 6 to both sides of the equation. This results in 14 equals 7 times. The final step is to solve for the variable. Divide both sides by 7 to find the value of x. In this case, 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So, x equals 2. To ensure your solution is correct, substitute the value back into the original equation. Check if both sides are equal. This verification step is essential in confirming your answer. This method applies to any two-step equation with variables on both sides. The key is to use inverse operations, whether adding or subtracting, to simplify the equation until the variable stands alone. Understanding these steps builds confidence in solving linear equations. These equations form the basis for understanding linear relationships in algebra. Practicing these types of problems shows how algebra can representing real-world situations. For instance, you might compare costs, distances, or quantities. By breaking down the problem into manageable steps, you can approach these equations with clarity and success. Remember, practice is key to mastering these concepts, so keep working on similar problems to strengthen your skills.